Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I've launched my fourth SaaS application um, just last week, and I want to take you guys along the journey with me as I launch my SaaS application. Now, what's so special about this one is that it's actually solving an issue that I had beforehand with my YouTube channel, and that was finding a sponsor. That's the issue, is to find a sponsor. So I was looking for, personally, I was looking for an SaaS application that allowed me to use natural language to find a brand that's aligned with my values. Not just my values, but aligned with something that I think would be mutually beneficial for both of us. And I imagine brands are looking for the same thing. They want to search using natural language. So I think that's a massive market that hasn't been filled yet. And I think this startup, or whatever you want to call it, can solve that issue with being unable to have a way to look for someone using natural language. So let's say you want to find a fintech YouTuber who talks about the stock market, but who also is more left leaning or right leaning, or who's 27 years old or has only 25,000 subscribers or less. Is really something that I feel is missing in terms of finding a good person to partner with or sponsor. So this is mostly catered to YouTubers and small YouTubers and mid-sized YouTubers, and the lack of an ability to find a sponsor. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be going through the whole process of launching this uh, enterprise, launching this startup with you guys. So let me know what you think. Um, I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. So this is a quick run through of my app, Collavue. It's a app for creators and brands to find the perfect sponsor and partnership based on natural language. So it uses the same embedded processing and natural language and tokenization that GPT uses, and it does, and it allows people to look for a specific brand or influencer based on natural language. So let's look through the website really quick. So this is the basics of it. It's mostly catered for YouTubers and for brands. And here you can see the testimonies that we have right now. And we can see the bottom portion of the website, the footer, which tells you about different people's experiences with the website. So let's log in right now. Let's create an account. And I'm going to make a simple password that I don't use, and I will delete the account once it's over. But let's say Google something like that, exclamation mark. So Google 1388 exclamation mark. So let's sign up. So here is the basic page layout. You have the dashboard, discovery, profile, setup call, so on and so forth. Um, you can continue until you onboard successfully. So let's say I am a brand and you can see the onboarding setup. So let's say my company name is ZenStream, and let's say this is my URL. And let's say it's a SaaS application. Now let's pick a logo. So it's a basic logo. There we go. And let's say it's between 1 to 10 people. And currently, let's say it's located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And let's say the contact for it is justin.young at zenstream.app. And let's say it's mostly catered to editors or um, or YouTubers. Now let's say my budget for sponsoring YouTubers is about it's between 1,000 and 5,000. And let's make a brief description about the brand. So let's say ZenStream is an automated video censoring and monetization platform powered by AI. All of this will be put into an embedding, tokenizing each and every single word, which will make looking up uh, YouTubers or brands much easier. So you can search for it with not search for the people you're looking for. Search for YouTubers or influencers with natural language, kind of like how you ask ChatGPT for something and you use natural language. This is exactly what it will do um, for your brand or for the influencer. So let's pick some more. Let's say my main goal is to increase my brand awareness and launch my product and content creation. So let's complete the setup. And here is another thing about ZenStream. I mean about Collavue is we verify each and every single brand. Each one of these will be unique, and we will have a call or we will have different ways to verify that you have set something up, that you are the owner of the brand or the website or so on and so forth. So you can think of it more like top two. It verifies the user and the owner and who owns the website. So we will verify via company email domain. So you can set up a call or you can upload a file to the website root and we can verify it through there. Uh, a DNS text record or a meta tag to your homepage. So there's a lot of ways to verify it, or you can just copy the verification code and put it here, and we will verify it within 24 hours. Because it will send me an email that I need to verify that you have set something up. And I plan on making a script to help with the verification process and speed things up. So let's say I'm going to publish a DNS text record. So submitting, you submit it, and now you can see your profile and it says you're pending for verification. But let's look at the discovery. So right now there aren't any users, but there was a huge. I once had a massive fake account database where you can look up highly specific users. So let's say I'm a middle-aged, young, left-leaning YouTuber with over 50K subscribers. This is an example of one search that you can use, and here you can see all of the different ways you can search. You can imagine over 100 people, and they will be active here as our interactions are embedded within a website. So if you can imagine the conversations, I forgot what it's called, finding the roots. That's not right. Okay. But you can imagine the inboxes will exist on Collavue. It's set up already for an inbox. But you can just imagine being able to look up highly specific people, have filters based on your match quality, the amount of subscribers, the next subscribers, and even the region they exist within. So let's say my own region. And this I believe can help people find brands that they associate with and uh, influencers that they feel can help their brand out or uh, help influencers find good sponsorships for their YouTube account, which is what we are focused on now. We're focused on YouTubers right now. Um, and all of it is free. The only payments you have to pay is for the credits, and that's about it. Um, it's steadily improving, and this is something I made in 3 months. So, still got some things that can be better, and I work on it every single day. And I will continue to update you all on how it's going. But right now, I think It's going pretty good. So this is the beginning of it. So let me know what you think about it and check it out. Thank you so much.